Hi, welcome to Adobe Illustrator Masterclass Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced. Chapter 2. In this chapter or in this video, we will learn how to draw close shape and curvature shape using curvature and close tools. Let's begin. So, this is the Illustrator and this is the curvature tool. Create and edit curve and straight line easily. Okay. Just click this tool and we can draw curve using 2 points. Just click here and just click whatever you want. Or you can move your mouse from right to left. You can draw a curve easily. Or you want some straight line, you can press the Alt key to draw a straight line. Okay, right now straight line. You can easily draw a curve shape using this shape. Okay, just click here, 2 point. I want this curve here and just move the mouse to draw a curve. Okay, like that. You can easily make a design like that. This is design I made in curvature tool itself. This is all the garnish we have draw using curvature tool easily. Okay. Next, close shape. We can draw a rectangle, ellipse, polygon, star and line segment tool using. Just draw a rectangle, just click this and draw the rectangle. Or just click here to get a size of rectangle. Okay, if you want rectangle 100 mm into 100 mm, like that. Or just click here if you want different 120 and 60. Okay, so just weight and height position you will be unlocked. Okay, just like that. 60 and 130 mm we can draw a rectangle. This is. Or you can easily click here and scroll your mouse and easily you can get here. Weight is 22.36 mm and height is 91.38 mm. Or you can here. Okay. Or selection tool, you can make some curve shape like that. This point you can click and like that. Okay, here also you can just click and all the shape, all the corner we have to rectangle. Okay, second is just click, right click here, ellipse tool. You can draw a ellipse same. Or you can click here to get a weight and height. Or you can unlock weight and height or lock. You can draw. If you lock, you have to enter 10 mm. Both the ellipse is same size, height and width. Okay, just unlock 100 mm and 40 mm ellipse. Or you can edit over here also, like that. This is the easy. You can make whatever size you want of ellipse. Okay. Second one is polygon tool. Polygon, hexagon, whatever you want to make. Or you can click here. What is the slide? 6 side 7 side, 9 side, 100 side, whatever you want. If you want 100 of this corner slide, or radius you want 100 mm, okay, just draw. Okay, like that. Just a minute. Control Z to undo or redo. Click polygon, draw a polygon, or you can click here like that. 6 corner I want, 6 corner. Click here, 9 corner you want, 9 corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Or if you want to draw manually, you can manually get, or you can selection tool, you can make this corner smooth like that. Okay. Or you can click here, just click polygon, click here, and if you want 45 slide, and you can get a 400 mm, just a minute. Radius should be 10 mm, like that. Second one is star. Just a minute. Star tool. You can draw a star, and right here you can give the star is 5 star. I want 8 star or 9 star, like that. Or if you want 100 of point, easily we can draw this 100 of. If you want to edit this star, just click here. You can edit this star size also, increase and decrease, like that. Click here. Alt and mouse up, you can zoom in and zoom out. Okay. Using zoom in, zoom out, you can press the Alt key and mouse up and mouse down. You can easily zoom in, zoom out. Okay. I want to zoom in. Click here, like that. You can easily edit this star using this selection tool or direct selection tool. Okay. So, thank you.